Anybody has any doubt with this? What I wrote here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Yes.
Wait a moment. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
चलो બધા લખો છો ને દીકરા?
हाँ, sir.
ઓકે. ચલો. If there will be any change, you must be getting a PDF file also, right? For paper style.
Yes.
So if there will be any change, it will be changed in that PDF. Okay, girls.
Yes, sir.
Part A,
Yes.
question number 1, MCQ. Of 10 marks. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Ten marks. Part B. Question number 1. You can continue part B with question number 3. Okay. Solve the followings. Any 6. 7 questions will be given. You have to solve any 6. If they will allow us, I'll give you option of 7 sums. Okay. Okay, girls.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
sir.
That means, oh, sorry, not 10 marks. I'm so sorry. That means 6 marks. Okay. 06. Get the line marker. Okay. And question number 7. Sorry, 4. Solve the followings again. Any 4. That means 2 marks each. Okay. Which covers 8 marks. Question number 5. Solve the followings. Any 2. 3 marks each. So it will covers 06 marks. Anybody has any doubt?
No, sir.
પેપર સ્ટાઇલ સમજાઈ ગઈ બધાને?
હા, sir.
So I can say total will be 40 marks. Part A of 20 marks and part B of 20 marks. Okay, girls?
Okay. And sir, you said that you will make us like you will tell us that some of the question will not come. You're going to cut that questions.
There is compulsory નથી. Who is that? Rabia or Modesa?
Rabia.
હા તો એ કઈ કમ્પલસરી નથી બેટા, એ તો હું તમને જનરલી કહેતો હતો. In between I will check it out. If related questions, if I feel that you are asking the doubt in some part, what it is not important, then I'll let you know that don't do this. No problem. I'll solve your doubt, but I will not allow you to do this right here. Are you getting? So that it will just it will not waste your important time. બરાબર? તો અમુક પાર્ટ એવા કઈ કમ્પલસરી હું ડિડક્ટ નહીં કરાવી નાખું કે this will not ask, this will be not in the portion, this will be not in the portion. But if in case if I feel in between while I'm doing revision part, at that time I'll let you know that this is not to be done. Don't waste time in such kind of a question. Move on to the next part. Is that clear, girls? રાબિયા સમજ પડી દીકરા?
Yes, sir.
Ha, sir.
મોડેસા, આયશા, have you all wrote this paper style in your paper?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So અહીંયા જો આ પાર્ટ 1 ને પાર્ટ 2 તો સોરી પાર્ટ A તો ક્લિયર છે, MCQ of 10 marks, fill in the blanks of 10 marks. Part B will be somewhat questionable. Solve the following, solve the following, solve the following. Sir, ત્રણેયમાં કેમ solve the following? તો સરની હેબિટ છે solve the following એટલે કન્ટેન્ટ આપેલા સોલ્વ કરવાના તમને છે, right? Or whatever question will be asked, you have to solve that question. So this part I can write here is solve the followings instead of any other things. બરાબર? And a maths માં તો always problems જ હોય. Yes.
Ah.
So any 6 of 6 marks means 1 mark each. બરાબર છે? Any 6 means you have to attempt. You can attempt all 7 also. Don't worry. Just સૌથી બેસ્ટ આન્સર કવર કરતા હશે માર્ક્સ E6 આન્સર્સ સર કાઉન્ટ કરે. Are you getting or not? Girls, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Then solve the
Yes.
following any 4, 8 marks. તો 4 sums કરવાના ને 8 marks હોય તો એક sum કેટલા marks નો થયો?
2.
કોઈને નથી ખબર? વાહ.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, હું બોલી તો ખરી 2.
2 marks each. Very good. Solve the followings any 4. That means 5 sums will be given. We have to solve any 4. Got it? So it will covers 8
Yes.
marks. Then question number 5. Solve the followings any 2. Any 2 means 3 sums will be given of 3 marks each. Got it? You have to solve any 2 on that. So with that any 2, you will be able to score 6 marks. Okay, girls?
Yes.
समझाई गई ना बच्चे लोग?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
हाँ, sir.
बोलो, बिजू बोलो. चलो, I'm saving this so that I will be able to give this paper style to the other class also. Paper style 6th SA1. SA1. 1 paper style dash 6 standard. Okay, બરાબર લખ્યું ને?
હા
ઓકે, સેવ કરી દીધી બેટા. થેન્ક યુ. ચલો, now starting with chapter number 1, chapter number 2 and chapter number 3, as still we have 15 minutes more, I want you all to look out any of the questions and I will try to solve it for you all in the class. If you have any doubt, please ask me right here.
Okay, sir.
Then again, I am repeating, on Friday, Saturday, and Monday, I have given you chapter wise that these are the chapters I am going to revise for you all. Yes or no?
yes sir
Yes, sir.
Come on, girls, I'm waiting, बच्चे लोग. Hello, Rabia, Mohaddesa, Sakina, Aisha,
Yes, sir.
Zainab, Fatima.
Yes, sir.
Please, I'm waiting for your doubts
Yes.
to be there. If you don't understand any sum, please check out what I did in the class. Please recheck it. Right now, I'm giving you time for chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. What I'm going to give you time on Friday, I am taking that 3 chapter right here, right now. You can ask me anything. I'll be moving ahead to help you to solve the sums.
Sir, I don't have any doubt in chapter number 1.
Okay, what about Mohadesa? What about other girls? Neelam Bojani, Firdos Dorani, Zainab Asar. Zainab હમણાં નથી બોલતી કાંઈ. શું છે?
જૈનબને નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ છે.
અચ્છા અચ્છા, દીકરા ડાઉટ હોય તો સરને પર્સનલમાં મેસેજ કરી દેજો હો. એનું સોલ્યુશન આપી દઈશ તને બેટા. Then what about other girls? Zainab Asar network issue. Sadiq Rathod. What's the name of this girl? Sadiq Rathod. ઇલ્મા બેટા ક્યાં ખોવાઈ ગઈ તું આટલા બધા દિવસથી?
સર, હું તો અહીંયા જ છું.
તો અહીંયા જ છો તો બોલતી કેમ નથી દીકરા તું? Neelam Bojani. What's the name of the girl? Neelam only?
No, Kum Fatima Bhojani and Conan Fatima Bhojani.
तो फातिमा, you do not have doubt, beta? Or you are finding right here? वही गई क्या શું છોકરી? Okay, girls. Those 2-3
Nice,
girls who
sir.
are actively present here, please check out and let me know. ભલે ન doubt હોય તો try to come up. Chapter 1 માં કોઈ doubt નથી. Okay, Rabia, but try to solve it by your own. It will, I am giving you the time. Still 2 to 3 days are there in between. If you have any doubt, please encircle the sum and keep it in your mind, so that when I entered the class online, at that time we can directly start with this doubt, whatever we have, to solve it and complete it in the next lecture itself. Barabar? And concentrate on first, second,
Yes.
and third chapter. Okay, girls? First, I will clear the doubts of chapter 1, 2, and 3 for FA1. Right? Then, as I said, FA2 course, chapter 4 and chapter 6. Then, at last, semester 1, which will be chapter 7 and chapter 13. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, go ahead. Yes, girls, I'm waiting, बच्चे लोग.
Sir,
हाँ बेटा, बोलना.
sir, મને chapter number 2 માં find the product by suitable rearrangement હોય ને,
हाँ.
exercise 2.2. Chapter number 2, exercise
Okay.
2.2.
Chapter number 2, exercise 2.2. Very good. चलो, solve કરી નાખીએ આપણે.
Sir,
ચલો, which question,
એમાં
beta? Find the sum by
question
suitable
number,
rearrangement. Question number 1, right?
હા
This one is the
એટલે
question. This one is the answer. Okay. Rearrangement એટલે શું બેટા? ગમે તે બે નંબર જે easy પડતા હોય ને, એને in bracket
હા,
લઈને solve કરવાનું. Are you getting? So 837, અહીંયા જોવાનું. જો, wait, I'll solve it over here so that you will be understanding more clearly. ચલો, શું છે sum? 837 plus 208. 837
47 plus
plus
208
208. Okay, then
plus 363.
plus 363, right? Plus
Yes, 363.
6. હવે તમને એમ કીધું હોય કે add 2, 8 and 19. 2, 8 and 19. તો તમે પેલા શું કરશો? 2 ને 8 ને એડ કરશો તો 10 થઈ
8
જશે.
plus 2.
બરાબર, 10 થઈ જશે. એટલે
Yes,
10 પછી એડ કરીએ આપણે 19 ને, તો આપણે ખબર પડી જાય કે
Yes.
29 is the answer. Are you getting? તો
yes,
તમે સૌથી પેલા ફોર્મમાં શું બનાવ્યું? 10 બનાવ્યું, 0 વાળી પ્રોડક્ટ બનાવી?
yes,
Yes or no? તો આપણે આમાં તે rearrangement with the suitable sum means what? We have to form that only. 500, 1000, 1200, 00 વાળી પ્રોડક્ટ બનાવવાની છે. Is that clear? So last digit check કરવા આપણે. Last digit અહીંયા 7 છે. 7 and 8 is forming 15. 7 plus 8 કરીએ તો 15, એટલે યુનિટ પ્લેસમાં 5 આવે. તો આપણે આ લેવાય નહીં બને ત્યાં સુધી. બરાબર? Now check out 8 and 3.
Yes.
8 and 3 is getting 11. So 11 a product લેવાય નહીં કેમ કે યુનિટ પ્લેસમાં શું આવશે 1 આવશે. Are you getting? So આ product પણ લેવાય નહીં.
1.
Now 3 plus
Yes.
7. Can we get 10 here? એટલે 0 મળે છે યુનિટ પ્લેસમાં.
Yes.
તો આપણે આ બેને પહેલા આપણે એડ કરીએ.
Yes.
Is it easy to solve? Yes or no?
Yes.
So can I say that these two I will
Yes,
take
sir.
it in the bracket 3 8
Yes.
37 plus અહીંયા શું હતું 6 3 sorry 363 right?
363.
Okay, so I will take this two in bracket plus as it is 208 as it is. સમજ પડી શું કર્યું સરે? હવે આ
Yes.
બેને બ્રેકેટ સોલ્વ કરી નાખો 3 અને 0 અહીંયા આવ્યું પાછું 0 આવ્યું 3 plus 6 9 અને 1
One,
carry
okay.
forward. Okay, then 10 અહીંયા થયું તો 1 અહીંયા 9 plus 3 12. We got 1200 here plus 208. Now open the bracket plus જ છે તો કોઈ ચેન્જીસ નહીં આવે 1200 plus 208. તો હવે તો ઇઝીલી સોલ્વ થાય 1200 એટલે 1000 ને 200 200 plus 200 1400 and 08 as it is.
1408.
Any doubt with this how to solve it?
No.
Joe, come to the answer column. You will get here. મળી ગયું દીકરા?
Yes.
Now look here.
No, sir, my third question as exercise.
હા હા આમાં પેલા જો ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર બી સોલ્વ કરાવું 1962 plus 453 plus 1538 plus 647. Now check out the unit place. 2 ને 8 મળે છે 10 ફોર્મ થાય છે 3 ને 7 10 ફોર્મ થાય છે તો ઈ બે બેના ગ્રુપ પાડી દેવાના in brackets. Understood? કે છેલ્લે 0 ફોર્મ આવે છે? Yes આવે છે. So this two total will be 3500. This two's total will be 1100. So 3500 plus 1100, 4600. Is that clear?
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt with this? Same way, this was addition. Now let us check for multiplication. If you check here, 2 multiplied by 1768 multiplied by 50. Sir, આમાં કેમ કરવાનું? So might be 100, 1000, 500, 200, 1005, sorry, 1800, 2000, 2200. You must be getting 00 wala number. Are you getting? Whatever 2 digit you will multiply,
Yes.
you will try. If you try it, you will be getting round figure. Is that clear? So what is more easy? By multiplying these two is more easy than with 50 or pila 250 is 100 લઈ લેવાય તો 100 તો 1768 ને 100 સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો તો બે ઝીરો એડ કરવાના રહી. Are you getting? See 2 and 50 is in bracket, 1768 at a separate side. Now we have to do multiplication. So 250s are 100, 100 into 1768 are 1768 as it is. 100 માં કેટલા ઝીરો હોય? 100 માં કેટલા ઝીરોઝ આવે? વાહ
3,
2.
અરે વાહ 3 કોણ
2,
હતું?
0.
હા તો
More days.
જેટલા ઝીરોઝ આવે એ
Two
નંબરની
આવે.
પાછળ મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન માં મૂકી દેવાનું. Understood? If it is, let me clear you. આમાં શું હતું? 100 multiply by 100 multiply by 1768. બરાબર? So what was the answer? 1768 and lastly 2 zeros. Is that clear, girls? समझ पड़ी?
Yes, sir.
If it is
Yes.
1000, then you
Yes,
have to
sir.
add 3 zeros. If it is 10,000 here, then you have to add 4 zeros. You don't have to worry for any zeros. Are you getting? કેમ કે કોઈ પણ ડિજિટ સાથે એના
Yes.
મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય જે કોઈ
Sir, your voice is not coming. Hello, sir.